Welcome back guys to another cocktail video. My name is Johnny. This is of course, you know already, Simple Drinks. Today we're making a cocktail created in 2022 by Simon Difford. It's called Ding-A-Ling. What Simon said on his website is that he heard that song Ding-A-Ling and he thought about what ingredients can be used to create a cocktail that is as fun as the song is. So without further ado, let's make a Ding-A-Ling. So the first ingredient is mezcal, 20 mils, a little less than 3/4 of an ounce. Followed by 30 mils or 1 ounce of dark rum. I'm using Kraken. Next ingredient is Amaretto, a little less than 3/4 of an ounce, 20 mils. Believe me, I'm eager to find out how this tastes. And the last ingredient, just a little bit of lemon juice, 7.5 mils or 1/4 of an ounce. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake it for 10 to 12 seconds. Ah, it's stuck. Of course, it smells like Amaretto. What else? Now we need a glass. And we're going to double strain the cocktail into our glass. As for garnish, Simon used an ice sphere, but I don't have an ice sphere. I'm just going to put an ice cube in it. That's it, ladies and gents. Ding-A-Ling. Cheers. Well, this is an interesting mix. It's smoky from mezcal, it's spicy from that dark rum, it's almondy, if you can say so, from Amaretto, and just a little bit tart from that lemon juice and that ding. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's funny. It smells good. Oh, it's so smoky. It's nice. It's really good. Kudos to Simon. He made a really good cocktail. That's it, ladies and gents. Another quick and easy video. Simon Difford's Ding-A-Ling. Really easy to make. 4 ingredients only. Nothing too complicated. It's smoky, spicy, with notes of almond and lemon juice. What else could you wish for? My recommendation, like always, give it a try and let me know in the comments below what you think about it. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, don't be lazy. Subscribe, it means a lot, it helps the channel. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.